Maayong buntag mga kapuso, kwentong healthy lifestyle ang baon namin para sa inyo dahil makakasama natin ang achiever pagdating sa fitness journey mula Zamboanga City. We're so lucky dahil siya ay isang government physician. Let's meet Doc Norvie Jalani. Buenos dias, Dr. Norvie. Welcome po sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How healthy is your morning today?
Buenos dias once again to GMA Regional TV. Thank you for inviting me and I am in excellent health.
Doktora, alam kong maraming mga kapuso ang nakatutok ngayon para malaman kung ano ang ginawa mo to achieve a slim figure after battling obesity. Please tell us muna yung mga struggles mo before being obese.
I had poor healthy habits, like what I mean is poor eating habits. I have poor eating habits. Mahilig po ako sa mga sugary drinks, and I also have poor sleeping habits. Like I usually sleep only at a maximum hours of 2. Like 2 hours lang ako nag-sleep. And then aside from that, wala po akong physical activity, you know. So these things collaboratively made me really very unhealthy, no?
You've started your fitness journey since 2016. Ano ba ang nag-motivate sa'yo to do this?
Yes, I was 98 kilograms last 2016. Imagine, dapat po sana ang weight ko is 54, no? For my height, but I was 98. So, nagkaroon po ako ng heart attack. Like, I was 36 years old. So, for me, it was a near-death experience. Like, while I was doing my work, no? Nasa harap po ako ng laptop. I had sudden chest pain and I was in front of my 2 kids. So, it was really a double kill for me. I thought mamamatay na talaga ako. So, that scene, I cannot forget it talaga. I cannot afford losing my life, losing my family.
Doc, to achieve a slimmer and healthy body figure, pakishare naman sa amin ang mga sekreto mo sa pagpapapayat.
Actually, the secret is not a secret. For me kasi, my objective talaga is to be healthy. And a slimmer figure or a sexy figure is just parang one of the outcomes, no? But that is not really my primary outcome, no? My primary goal is to like really being healthy, no? Like dapat before I reach my 40s that time, no? Dapat wala akong, as much as possible, I don't want to rely on maintenance medications, no? And so actually it's really discipline and grit.
Doc, nalaman namin that you are already at your 42 but you look 20 years younger now. Ano rin ba ang nagpapaglow sa'yo, Doc?
Salamat po. Actually po, I started cutting down on sugars, no? Last 2016. So, umiiwas na po ako anything that is sugary. And then, yung sleeping habits ko po, from 2 hours, dapat po 7 to 8 hours po talaga ako. And hydration. Yun po talaga ang 3 most important things for me.
Nako, sana all nag-glow talaga. Doc, being a government physician, no, and a mom of 2 kids, ano rin ang healthy time management routine mo?
Yes. In this time, this is what I want to emphasize, the role of the workplace in supporting one's goal. Kasi like in my case po, no, my hospital, which is the Zamboanga City Medical Center, opo, they are very supportive when it comes to stress management, which is very important in whenever we work, no, they also encourage us like to have a 1 hour break ba, or any physical activity like walking or even martial arts, no? Oo.
Doc, para sa mga kapuso natin, lalo na yung nag-i-inspire na maging payat rin, ano po ba ang magiging advice mo?
Sa lahat po ng ating mga kapuso dyan, oo, wala pong imposible, no? It is true na sa una, mahirap siya, but then only remember that we are doing this for our health, for our family, no? We want to be healthy, no? We want to be healthy because we value our lives, no? It is also a form of self-love, no? Kasi when we love ourselves, we take good care of ourselves, and we can take good care of our loved ones, no? Weight loss is a journey. Hindi po siya pang 2 weeks, pang 6 months. In my case, I started 2016 hanggang ngayon po.
Muchas gracias, Dr. Norvie Jalani, sa time mo dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Thank you po at ingat ka palagi. Mga kapuso, standby lang mo kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.